Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I'm Professor Dipanjan Dey. Today I'm giving you another lecture on proposition logic. The topic is Dnf and Cnf. Very important topic for the exam of BCA, B.Tech, M.Sc, M.Sc in Discrete Mathematics. Very important topic. Here find the DNF and CNF of this expression, okay, of this. Here you see PQR is there. How many propositions are there? PQR. So 2 to the power, there are 3 propositions, that is 3 unknown variable PQR. So 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So I have taken 4 true and 4 false. Then 2 true, false, 2 true, false. Then 2 false, 2 false, 2 false, 2 false. Okay. Now this part I have to find first. This part. This is double implication. What is the rule of P and Q? In between P and Q, there will be double implication. How to find the double implication? Double implication means when both are true, then it is true, and both are false, then again it is true. Okay. You see, both are true is true. So here this TT, so this is T, and this is TT, this is also T. Okay. Both are true, otherwise false. Both are false, then it is true. Okay, both are false, then it is true. What is the rule? Rule of double implication. Both are false, then it is true. Both are false, then it is true. Both are true, then it is true. Both are true, then it is true. Otherwise false. Otherwise false. This is the rule. So all we have to write, because these are all false. All are false. Okay. All are false. Now, what is the negation of this? This is the negation, this part, negation. You see the negation? Negation means when it is true, then it is false. It will be false, it will be false. And these 4 are true. True, true, this is true, this is true. Then it is false, then it is false. This is the negation of this. Now, this with this with this, there will be conjunction. This with this with this, there will be conjunction. This with this with this. This is suppose P and this is suppose Q. P and Q. In these two, what is the rule of conjunction? This is conjunction sign. This with this, R with R. So conjunction means both are true, then it is true, otherwise false. You see, R is both are true, this is both are true, so it is true. Both are true, yes, both are true, so it is true. Both are true, no. Both are true, no. Both are true, no. Only these two are there. Only these two are there. Okay. Both are true, then it is true, otherwise it is false. So you see, both are true means this with this and this are true, this and this are true, otherwise false. All are false. Here false, here false, here false. It is false, it is false, it is false. Okay. Okay. This with this. Now, negation of whole thing, negation. When it is false, then it comes whole thing. This is the negation of this. That is we have to find this one. That is when it is false, then it comes true. That is negation. That is, it is true, then it is false. It is true, it is false. It is true, and it is true. Okay. This is the truth table. By truth table method, I am finding the DNF and CNF. By truth table method, okay? By truth table method, I am finding the DNF and CNF. Now suppose for CNF, then I am finding DNF. Okay. For CNF, you see, for CNF, we here for CNF, for CNF. Okay, here we considering the value of PQR. We considering the value of PQR. Considering the value of PQR only in which only in which only in which if appears in the if that is false, if appears in the if appears in the last column, in the last column, those are third and fifth row. Third and fifth row. You see, this is third row and fifth row. Fifth row. We have to consider these two. Those are third and fifth row. That means after finding the truth table of the given expression, this is the last column, final column. So in final column, for CNF, we have to see where is false. So false is here and false is here. So if false is there, then we have to take PQR here. That is TFT. T means true. When it is true, then for CNF, that is negation P, and then it is false, so it is Q, then again true, negation R. Okay, that means when it comes true in P, you are getting here, you see true, though you have to write negation P. When false, you have to write negation Q, because this is the Q. And when again you see, this is the row, this is third row. And when it is true, again it is R. Again it is R. And in between these, we have to give the disjunction sign. We have to give the disjunction sign, this sign. Disjunction sign. This is the disjunction sign. Then outside, it will be conjunction. Outside, it will be conjunction. So this is for third row. This is for third row. Be careful. Try to understand. Now, for fifth row, we have to go up to this way. This is fifth row. This is fifth row. So here, again, we have to start. When it is false, then comes P. Then true. Then true means negation Q. Then false. So negation, this is false. False is there. So it is R. So in between, there will be disjunction. There will be disjunction. Understand what I am saying? For fifth row, this is for fifth row. Fifth row. In between the proposition, there will be disjunction, and outside it will be conjunction. Be careful. This is for fifth row. When it is false, then we have to write P, because not only this, because this is the line of P. When it is true, this is the line of Q. So it is negation Q. Because this is Q, but we have to write negation for true. And for false, we have to write only R, not negation R, because it is false. Okay, be careful. Be careful, this part. So this is the required CNF. CNF. Conjunctive normal form. Conjunctive normal form. Now, in the same table, we can find the DNF. Okay. So I think you understood very nicely what is that is CNF. Now DNF, disjunctive normal form. Earlier I have uploaded one video on that is DNF. Now for CNF, we have to do this way. Now for DNF, this is for DNF. Now I am DNF. Now I am going to find DNF. For DNF, we considering the value of PQR only, in which this is F appears, so it will be T appears. T appears in the last column. Those are, you see, first T appears where? This is the first row, first, not this. We won't take this. T appears. You have to see T appears. T appears in first row, then second row. You have to see only T appears. Second row, then fourth row, then sixth row, seventh row, and eighth row. That is T appears. Those are first, second, fourth, sixth, seven, eight. So those are T appears. Be careful. For DNF, we have to consider in the last column. T appears. Where T appears? In first row, first, second, fourth, sixth, seventh, and eighth row. 8 rows. Okay. So after getting, that is, here I am mentioning first, second, this on, then fourth row, this on, sixth, seventh, eighth. Okay. First, I am considering first row. So first row is all are true. You see, all are true. So you have to, when it is true, all, you have to write PQR. When all are true, you have to write PQR. And in between there will be conjunction. Just opposite. In between there will be conjunction. When it is true, you have to write this is true, so it is in P, so this is P. It is in true, so this is in Q, so we have to write Q. It is in true, so it is in R. Then here will be conjunction, and here will be outside, this will be disjunction. Be careful, very easiest way I am saying here. Now, in the second row, both first and second are true, that is P is true, so P is true, that is P, then Q is what? True, again, so it is Q, then R is false, so negation R. Okay, negation R. Here will be conjunction. Outside it will be disjunction. Next, third row. Third row means TFF. True. P is true here, so it is P. Then Q is false. You see, Q is false. R is false. So negation Q, negation R. So it will be conjunction, and outside will be disjunction. Outside will be disjunction. Okay. Outside will be disjunction. Okay. Next, again, this will be disjunction. Then this is for third row. This is for fourth row. Now this is for fifth row. For fifth row, this is false. Then true, that is P is false. So this is negation P. Q is true. So this is Q. Then R is false. So negation R. So this will be conjunction, and outside it is disjunction. Next, this is for seventh. So false, true. So false, true. P is false. So negation P. Q is again false. So negation Q. False, then true. That is R. So here will be conjunction, here will be conjunction outside disjunction, outside disjunction. And last one I am writing here, that is for 8th row. All are false. So negation P, negation P, negation P, negation Q, it will be conjunction, negation Q, negation R, this. It will be conjunction. So this thing I am writing clearly. This thing I am writing clearly. This is Q. This is conjunction, negation R, negation R. So this is Q. Okay, this is Q. This is Q. Okay, try to understand. This is the last row. This is the 8th row. All are false. See, all are false. P is false, Q is false, R is false. So all are negation, negation P, negation Q, negation R, and it will be in between this there will be conjunction. So for DNF within bracket it will be conjunction outside disjunction. For CNF it will be disjunction outside conjunction. So this is the DNF. This is the DNF of this expression. That is, we have learned how to find the DNF and CNF by truth table method, because it is very easiest method. First you have to make the truth table of the given expression. Then if there are PQR, you have to take 2 to the power 3, that is 8. So 4 true, 4 false, 2 true, 2 false, 2 true, 2 false. Okay, then 2 false, 2 false, 2 false by this way. Okay, after making the truth table, then what will you do? You have to see for DNF where T appears. This. Okay, T appears here. Okay. Now the question is, suppose T all are this is all are contradiction. No T is appears. No T is appear. So that means DNF does not exist. DNF does not exist, because for DNF we will consider only truth table. That is, truth value is T. T appears in which row? This is for this. In these are the row T appears. So I have written here, we consider the value of PQR only in which T appears in the last column. This is the last column. Those are first, second, fourth, 6, 7, 8 row. Then after getting this, we have this is the. I think everybody understood very nicely. Keep watching, sharing and commenting this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will come with my next video, inference, rule of inference. That is very important. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.